Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Explanation Ahead. So today we are talking about skin structure. So let's start. Skin is the largest and one of the most important organ of our body. Skin have three layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. So in this video we are talking about only epidermis layer. So let's start. Epidermis have five sublayers: stratum corneum, stratum lucidium, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum and stratum germinativum. So first one is stratum corneum. It is the outermost layer of epidermis. Its scales-like cells are continuously being shed and replaced by underneath cell coming the surface. These cells, certain protein keratin combined with a thin covering layer of oil help make the stratum corneum waterproof. It is also called the horny layer as the cells are touched them most like animal horn. Then stratum lucidium. It is clear layer consists of small transparent cells through which light can pass. It is readily by light microscope only in area of thick skin which are found on palm of the hand and sole of the feet. The thickness of lucidium is controlled by the rate of mitochondria of the epidermis cell. It is located between the stratum granulosum and stratum corneum. Then stratum granulosum. The consists of cells that look like granules. These cells are almost dead and are pushed to the surface to replace cells that are shed from the stratum corneum. It is a thin layer of cells in epidermis. Keratinocyte migrating from the underlying stratum spinosum become known as granular cell in this layer. Then stratum spinosum. It is the layer of the epidermis found between the stratum granulosum and stratum spinosum is to allow keratinocyte to mature a layer so called because its cells are spiny shaped cell. Keratinization being in the stratum spinosum, the layer is composed of polyhedral keratinocyte. Then stratum germinativum. It is also called a basal layer. The deepest layer is responsible for the growth of epidermis. It also consists of a dark skin pigment called melanin, which protect the sensitive cells below from the destructive effect of UV rays. These cells are actively dividing to provide cell to replenish. Lost skin from normal shading, thus they provide keratinocyte cell, melanocyte cell and Merkel cell and Langerhans cell. So keratinocyte cells is basically for keratin protein production. Then melanocyte cells is basically for melanin production. Langerhans cells is for immune system. Then Merkel cell is for the sensation in our body. That's all for today. Like, share and subscribe.